Okay, now I'm going to attempt to make a bird feeder. So there's another one balls that I had that was left over. So we take in, I'd say about right there, we take and cut it. Don't have to be perfect, but watch your feet. Okay. Okay. Go there to there. And there. Cut it. Well, I think I need a sharper razor blade. Let me get down here with the stupid chairs. There you go. Now we're getting someplace. Now don't you guys be laughing at me the way I'm cutting. I guarantee you, I got a feeling this is going to work just the way I expect it to. Close enough. Come on the other side. And we'll do the same thing. Oops, that's a little bit too far, dummy. Get carried away with this knife. It's alright, it won't hurt nothing. See what I'm doing, you don't have to worry about it. Now that's a little bit higher than the other one. So maybe I come down just a hair more to there and there because it's free. Next time you get to juice, I don't want to cut. Try not to cut myself. Sorry, no workbench. I just moved up here, so I ain't got a workbench yet. We have a block, but I didn't want to do that way. That's where it's been cut. There we go. You don't have to be really perfect. Okay, there's that part right there. Now, what we need is a couple branches, which would be like that. I use the green one because it'll last longer. Plus, it looks natural. Take the knife and you cut them off like that. Clean them up best as you can. Try to leave some bark on it so they'll make it look like it's a natural tree, which helps. Then what I usually do is okay, I need to punch a hole through that, and I need something big, so I just get old trusty out here. how big that is. That'll work. That's perfect. Almost. Okay. Maybe that'll look different. Okay, yeah, that'll work. Improvise, people, improvise. You can make this anywhere you want. I just changed plans at the last minute. I tried to do it that way. Because of the little knob there, it keeps them from going down. Then, I don't think that's going to work, is it?
It might have if you'd cut a hole all the way through.
Well.
And put your stick all the way through.
Yeah. Alright, let's...
Hey.
What?
You've got Mimi's bar right there.
I don't want to put the bar in it.
Oh, okay.
Alright.
Just an idea.
Let's try something else. I thought it was something different, so we just add that out. Okay.
There you go.
There we go. We got a little perch here, a little perch there. And I need to go get something. Another one. Someone has. No, that's about it. Okay, that's the perch there. Now, what I'm going to do, since I got that done, I got one of these balls here. And I need to cut this. That's really about it. Nope, that is it. Remember, kids, don't try this at home. Unless it's supervision, I wouldn't recommend any kids to do it anyway. So we got that there. Try to make sure this works. Then it will take out. I know people sometimes you can use a smaller bowel, but I will use this one because that's the only one I have. So put him in there like that. Got it. Stick. Okay. Now let's see. Is that all the way up? No. See if this sticks all the way up now. I have to cut a little bit more to make it work. Okie dokie. Now, we'll open this up. Got a stick here. pop that out. Just like that. Ah, that ain't doing it. I don't have nothing to stick in there. I do. I'm trying to collapse that bowl that I put in there. I think it might be just a hair too big. Because it keeps popping out on me.
Well, it'll fill, when you put the seed in it, it'll fill it up, won't it?
But I think it was, well, this will probably work anyway. You put that right there like that. Okay, it's open. Then take this funnel here. And you take your bowl and you put the cap on it. And there's your bird feeder. I overdid it a little bit too much, so I got to sweep that up so I don't get a bunch of rats coming around and mice coming around here. There's your bird feeder. I know I'm putting it out in the sun, but we're doing the test drive. There you go. Now the good part is, you gotta clean my damn mess up. So I hope you enjoyed this last little videos, and thank you. And we'll come back some other time, or we'll see you down the road. Bye, y'all.